hear the sound of His coming everywhere, and the headlights resounding by the score. It may be another earthquake or just another war, but to every child of God is something more. And when I hear the sound of marching, hear the sound of battle cry, then I know the storm is coming. Even now it may be night, and I can hear the sound of His coming everywhere. They're getting louder and louder each day, and every sender until the great and final sound, when the trumpet shall call me our
The sound of big leaves rushing in the summer breeze. And as I see the Lord restore Jerusalem, and I can hear a sound from heaven as a rushing mighty wind, as God pours His Spirit out upon all men.
And when I hear revival sounds, not just here